he got something.
Oh, it's tight.
You got it.
Oh, I got something right on.
Jackson got the first fish. A calico. The calico bass. All right, buddy.
Good job, Jackson.
High five, bud. He's like, I got something.
All right, we got it. Jackson got first fish.
I'm so not holding that.
You're holding
Yeah,
it.
you are. You got to hold
Yes,
it by
you
the
are,
lid.
Look, there's
Better, huh? Calico. Oh, that looks good. That's a nice calico.
Nice calico?
Good job, Keith.
It was the reel I switched.
That other reel wasn't working out for me.
What? Can you measure him up? I think it's good. Definitely.
He should be good.
Like 30 years old.
Good? Oh, nice.
15 incher? 16.
Oh, 16.
That's probably 16 and a half.
Jackson.
No, we're not fishing off the bottom. So crank it in.
Ready?
That's the same fish I caught.
Let it sit off the bottom.
Want to get it?
Look what Jack's caught.
A kelpfish?
Oh,
Oh.
seal.
Sea snail.
Moray, right? Is that
Moray.
Let's see. Oh, nasty.
Moray.
Jackson.
Pretty cool.
You gotta bite the head off that one
Alright,
there.
Put your thumb in there.
This one. Is that a regular
Get over here. All right, Jax, put your thumb in there.
Jackson, kill me.
No! in there.
Ooh,
Who's sitting on the weird stuff?
That's a sea snake, isn't
You
it?
gotta bite the head off.
I'd rather.
What, is that a sea snake?
That's a moray.
Oh, a moray eel?
It's a California sea snake.
Ah.
Well, that's not a baby. That's a nice one.
Ooh, another sheephead?
Oh, nice.
What the heck?
Something folded up too.
That's probably what I felt like.
Something really big folded up. Something really big folded it up?
Yeah.
Is it a seal?
The only part was a seal.
The part where the seal almost
He's
got.
like, my lunch.
Yeah, hey, where you guys go with that?
Oh, there he goes.
You got him?
Yep, we got him.
You got a good one, huh? There's another one.
You gotta watch that temperature when it gets close to
Whose rod's this one?
Oh, that's Steve.
Where's that eagle?
Oh, whoa,
Yeah, where's that
Steve.
eagle?
Oh, blue
Stop
perch.
trying to show
You guys want to
off.
keep it though?
Hey, those are good eating right there.
Yeah.
Are they?
If you want to keep it, keep it.
What is that called?
A blue perch?
I caught up.
So I have a leader for the.
Don't tell me that there's already a fish.
Put it on this one.
Which one?
Guys,
Whoa,
careful
nice one.
when
Don't
you're
pull it up all the way
biting.
back. Watch out, the tip of that rod's going to
Nice.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Hey, baby. I've been wanting one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This one's not a keeper.
I thought it's 12.
Well, so he needs attention.
It's 11 3/4.
That's like the guy when I caught the white sea bass. He didn't even measure it. He just chucked it back. I'm like, dude.
Oh, watch that rod tip. You gotta let something lie down.
Okay.
That's some fight.
He's good.
Oh. Yeah, baby, some shrimp.
That's a 12 on. Yeah, about 14. Want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to get in the water real quick.
Yeah, I will. Like you did for the black sea bass.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's a hurricane.
There's one.
Oh, he didn't want to go in there.
Oh, Mimi too.
Oh, yeah, Mimi.
Mini? Mighty Mo.
Where's that shrimp at? There it is.
Mini Mighty Mo. Catch your breath too.
Oh, wow, look at this.
Whoa, hold on. I'm still reeling it in.
Hey, Anthony,
What did
you know
she
that
get?
is?
Oh, take a picture. Take a picture with
You
Liz.
didn't even hook it in the mouth. You hooked it in the gill.
So hooked it.
Oh, can you get a picture of her? My hands all
What?
slimy.
Kelp wrasse.
Oh.
W-R-A.
Oh, yeah, little tail flopping around.
Yeah.
Oh, attraction.
Oh,
yeah.
Calico.
Steve.
Marlin.
Mike, you got the camera?
Big one.
The Whopper. All right, who wants another whisker?
Junior double triple whopper.
You want it?
Oh, that's one way.
Gone. See ya.
Yeah, he was out of here.
Go, huh?
Yeah.
Calico?
It's pulling hard now. See it?
Hey, man. Let's go. Top.
Hey.
Right behind you.
Oh, it's such a great workout. That was such a great workout.
Is he on the boat? Did you get him?
There you go.
Hey, Jackson. Bigger than Papa's?
Yeah, keep out.
Bigger than Papa's? Yeah. Dang, Jackson.
Good job, dude. That's a nice one.
Daddy.
Want to hold it, Dad?
Yeah, you have to for the picture.